Hello everyone. Standard 10, lesson number 5, mass media and history. Magazines and journals. Magazines and journals are periodical publications. Periodical means not regularly published. Periodical means once in uh, a particular time duration. For example, see, they are weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, 6 monthly, or annually published. Weekly means once in a week. Bi-weekly means twice in a week, 2 times in a week. Monthly means once in a month. Bi-monthly means 2 times in a month. Okay. Quarterly means once in 3 months. Now, Digdarshan is the first Marathi magazine started by Balshastri Jambhekar. Pragati, now a defunct journal. Defunct means no more existing. Was started in 1929 and edited by Triambak Shankar Shezvalkar. He wrote regularly in this historiographical journal of Maharashtra's history and social movement. Currently, there are many periodicals devoted to Indian history. Marathi journals such as भारतीय इतिहास आणि संस्कृती and Marathwada Itihas Parishad Patrika are the examples, okay, of the journals or periodicals. Now let us see electronic or digital journalism. What is it? Let us see. Ultra modern periodicals form a part of electronic, or it should be or, here off is by mistake typed, electronic or digital journalism. So ultra means extreme, very advanced, very modern periodicals published by electronic or digital journalism. Now electronic or digital journalism means radio, you can call, okay. Electronic mass media, television is there, even internet is there, okay. Digital means television or internet, okay. Electronic, we can include also radio. History is a prime subject of interest for these periodicals as well. Many web news portals, social media, web channels, YouTube, etc. make historical content available to the audience or readers. Now let us see the history of radio. Indian Broadcasting Company IBC, a private radio company, was the first one to broadcast daily programs in India. Later on, that company was taken over, means bought by British government and named Indian State Broadcasting Service ISBS. On 8th June 1936, it was renamed as All India Radio. Okay, and after independence, All India Radio became an integral part of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting of the Indian government. Means it started working under the control of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting department of the central government. Initially, it broadcasted governmental programs and schemes. It was named as Akashvani on the suggestion of the famous poet Pandit Narendra Sharma. So Narendra Sharma again renamed All India Radio as Akashvani. Akashvani broadcasts various entertainment, awareness creating and literary programs. It also broadcasts special programs for farmers, workers, the youth and women. The Vividh Bharati programs broadcasted on Akashvani are having 24 regional languages and 146 dialects of Indian languages. Lately, various new channels like Radio Mirchi are providing radio services. So, see, Vividh Bharati programs are broadcasted in 24 regional languages. Regional means local languages of Maharashtra or of any particular region. Okay. Local languages, regional in the sense local languages, maybe of Maharashtra or of India, as well as 146 dialects. Now, dialect means sub language. Sub language means uh, a version of a particular language, we can call it as. For example, Marathi is a regional language, okay, but Puneri Marathi, Kolhapuri Marathi, Marathwada Marathi, or Marathi spoken in Konkan region. Okay, these are the dialects of the same language, Marathi. Now let us see television. The Delhi Doordarshan Center was inaugurated by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first Indian president. Doordarshan's Mumbai Center began to telecast its programs on 1st May 1972. Color television was introduced on 15th August 1982, and in 1991 the Indian government allowed or gave permission to the private national and international channels. So today we can enjoy a number of channels, national and international, on our television, and it is due to the permission given by the Indian government to uh, the private channels in 1991. Okay, so remaining part of the lesson we will discuss in the upcoming video. Thank you very much.